Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a free fire digital poster on ChatGPT. So you'll need to get this prompt. I'll put it in the description box down below. This is where you can add your username. Then you're just going to take a screenshot of your character as well as your profile or your stats on Free Fire. Then you're going to press this icon and it's going to generate something like this, and it is super cool. You can also change the color, for instance with a pink to purple if you'd like to, but this is what it should look like at the end. I did do it I did generate it first because it's going to take a while for you guys to wait if I had to wait. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.